Hello friends, so this is our first parcel. Let's open it up and see. Don't know. This is supposed to mean MRP 199 relationship archetype oracle cards. So this is like a oracle cards. So we'll open it up and see ki kya scene hai. This is like, I know it's something that you can make, but this is something you should not do. Like, as a designer, I can say that this font is not good. So this is electronic guide. Thank you for contribution in my project. Please scan the QR detail. Okay, so they are very environment friendly. Voila, scene. So I think when you lay it down, it looks like this. So this is like oracle cards. Basically, you pull something off, और ये पीछे की तरफ ऐसा है. So you pull something off, and then that struggling artist, overthinker, practical, hidden seeker, baby, this getter, serial dater, heartbroken, real deal, blah blah. It's okay. I think when I get the meaning, then the quality of the card is nice. It's like a thick, like a quite a thick card. Like you see, it's excellently thick card, and I'll just get my caliper. So suppose this, and let me just see, it's 0.3 millimeter, which is actually quite thick. Usually it's like 0.2 millimeters or 0.1 millimeters also. So on a micro level, I can tell you, okay, this is a good, like a thicker card than usually. Even like a 0.1 millimeter, it's also will add up to a lot of cost. So this is influencer. Yeah, so I think when you get the meaning, it might make more sense for you. But tab tak ke liye, link in the description. And these are the oracle cards, and this is the entire thing. Bye bye. Thank you.